Hello, my name is Rizky Aksyana Amareta.
Hello, my name is Franciscus Jumintang.
Last but not least, hello, my name is Mita Aulia Valentino. Happy watching our videos! Today, creativity is seen as a precious asset for the public and the corporate. Creativity is an activator, developer, and the beginning of the creative industry. In the age of digital era, ample cutting-edge and renewable technologies are enhancing the creative industry. One of the strengths that gained by the creative industry in the age of digital era is the existence of various social media platforms. In 2019, We Are Social claimed that YouTube is the most accessible platform, which is 88% of the total social media users in Indonesia. It is undeniable that YouTube plays an important role in order to deliver information in Indonesia. So if there's content in YouTube that does not match the facts or the truth, it can cause misinformation within the community. The Ministry of Communication and Information stated that Indonesia's social media users tend to give more credit into the negative content rather than the positive ones. They do not hesitate to give it likes and to share it to other users. Seeing this market prospect, the content creator in YouTube decides to make more the negative content so they can gain more profits. By having this problem, both parties are stuck in stagnant mindset without any desire to change the negative stigma in the creative industry, especially in YouTube platform.
In the experimental method, we are using descriptive methods. The descriptive method to describe the characteristic of populations or phenomena being researched. This research aims to contain the paradigms different between communities and creative. The different paradigms among communities and content creators in the creative industry of social media is the topic of this study. The research also identified the solutions by the YouTube platform strategy to transform society paradigms gradually. These data collection techniques use a study of literature. Research conducted by collecting data through previous writings work. The steps used in data collection are: first, reading the literature review. Second, mastering the theory. Third, searching and collecting data. Fourth, analyzing and studying the data from the deep. Fifth, do a track research improvement. And sixth, make a research conclusion. In the results, we found the background of a paradigm difference in society. In spite of the fact of the social media, especially YouTube, give its user reachable access in the creative industry. Unfortunately, many users still misuse it due to their lack of creativity in the way they are thinking, thus becoming worse as the augmentation of the negative content is continually being made and widespread by the content creator. Based on the data outlined in the introduction part, YouTube is the first ranked as a social media platform that is most widely accessible by the user in Indonesia. Since YouTube content gathers so much enthusiasm, we would like to use this huge opportunity to transform any flaws within the paradigm society as a way to make beneficial educational use a place of learning in the digital creative industry, especially the YouTube platform.
For conclusion, based on the introduction and result that has been described, facilities with internet access, especially social media YouTube, and the ease of content creators in uploading their work as a factor in the differences between the mindset and the communities. And as explained, that many Indonesians have switched from television to YouTube platform as a means of entertainment to watch, making it an opportunity for creative people to turn to YouTube. The ease of access and uploading on the YouTube platform makes anyone can be subject and object within the YouTube platform environment. Researchers conclude several factors that can cause differences and gaps in the community's mindset to use the YouTube platform. The first one is lack of digital literacy. The second one is lack of insight into social media for the community and how to choose a good impression. The last one is lack for creative thinking in order to make a qualified content. And from the result of this research, authors provide an innovative solution as the following. The first one is conducting a campaign hosted by the organization that we have formed named GodSight. We would like to recruit a student college in various regions throughout Indonesia to create an ongoing interactive talk show that collaborates with YouTube content creator to make a two-way interaction regarding the implementation of creative thinking between the audience and the content creator. The main purpose of this talk show is to against society's paradigm gaps. And the second one is creating a YouTube creator content community to conduct group discussion forums. Will be the importance of creating a work on a qualified and educative on YouTube platforms so that the public will be entertained and educated with content that makes itself a good mindset as well. Okay, that's all we can share. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.